continuing with anywhere, anytime, any place training. No excuses. We're doing resistance bands. Gotta love the resistance bands. Completely different feel, a lot easier on the joints, a lot more effective in certain exercises for peak contractions. So here we're going to continue with rear delt options and the back. So I'm going to show you some bent rear delts. I'm just going to step on them and I'm going to crisscross the handles. I'm going to bend over and bam, 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 bam. You can do those with straight arm or bent arm. And if I want, I can go single arm, just bend over. Let me do it the other way. So I'll just do this leg like this, and then step over, step under, and then you've got single arm. Let me go under there again, so that wasn't tight enough. Tension. And boom, 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 boom. Full range of motion. If you want it even tighter, you can go under both feet like that and then just crisscross your grip. All right, I'll go this way. That's this way. And boom, 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 boom. No equipment, no problem. That's 2-arm and single arm rear delt fly with resistance bands. No equipment, no problem. Anywhere, anytime, any place. And I'll see you in the next video.